Hello, today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make two different Father's Day crafts. One being a picture frame like the one you see right here, simple gift you can give to your dad for Father's Day, and the second being this little coaster inspired by the coasters you'd see in little coffee shops. So let's begin. Let's start with the picture frame. Here's what you'll need. For this simple craft, you're going to need 7 jumbo popsicle sticks, liquid glue, paper, a ruler, scissors, and marker, or stickers or paint, optional to decorate. So let's continue. So, for the picture that will fit exactly into the picture frame that we are making, you're going to need to cut out a piece of paper that measures 19.5 centimeters by 15.5 centimeters. And you can always use a different color piece of paper of your choice. Now let's make the frame. So for the frame, you're going to need 7 extra jumbo popsicle sticks. Arrange 4 of them like this into a square. Then glue the corners together. Then with the remaining 2, we're going to make the part where the paper slides in. Glue the bottom 2 corners but not the top, because that will stop the paper from going in. So like so, make a U-shape glue line and press the popsicle stick on top of the other one. Again, leaving the top for the piece of paper to be able to slide into the frame. We have finished the frame. Let's see what we can do with the little rectangles we cut out. You can write your dad a personal message like this one. Or another little message like this one. It's all up to you. You can print a picture of your dad and put it on this piece of paper, or you can make a collage of you and your dad and glue the pieces onto this rectangle that we cut out. Here's an optional choice. You can always paint your picture frame to make it extra personalized. If you don't have paint or don't want to use paint, you could always use markers, pens, or stickers to decorate your frame as well. Here we have our cute little frames. I just slid the piece of paper between the 2 popsicle sticks that we glued together. Remember the top we left without glue? That's where the piece of paper slides into the frame. Now it's time for our second craft. We're going to be making a cup coaster. You will need 16 regular popsicle sticks, liquid glue, and markers or paint optional. Okay, we are first going to be working with 12 of our popsicle sticks, lining them up like so, making sure that we make identical patterns of popsicle sticks like so. Then we are going to be taking our white glue and gluing the corners where the popsicle sticks that are horizontal and diagonal meet. You don't need a lot of glue, just one dot at each end. If you use too much glue, it will take longer to dry. So for the sake of this video, I'm working fairly quickly, so I'm just taking a piece of paper to flip one of the little grids of popsicle sticks over, but you can wait until yours dries. For the 4 remaining popsicle sticks, we're going to be flipping them on their side and putting a thin layer of glue to glue it to the grid that we flipped over. Once again, we're going to be taking the 4 popsicle sticks and gluing them to the middle of the 4 horizontal popsicle sticks that are in the grid we already made. Don't use too much glue here, because if you do so, it will be too slippery and the popsicle sticks may be difficult to stand up. And if you find that the popsicle sticks are not standing up and you're not using too much glue, it's maybe because the popsicle stick you're using is warped or is a weird shape, so try finding a different popsicle stick. Here we have the base of our coaster. Let's glue the top to it. Flip the top part upside down, and you're going to be gluing a line of glue in the middle of each of the 4 horizontal popsicle sticks. So with a little line of glue, we're going to place that in the middle of the 4 horizontal popsicle sticks and then place it in the opposite direction on the base of our coaster. This should form a checkerboard formation. Now that our coaster is built, you can write a little message on it. Or if you want, you can paint it. So here we have it, our Father's Day coaster. You can paint it, write a message on it. I'm sure your dad will love it because it came from you. That concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed these 2 little crafts. It's fairly simple. Get your parents' help if you need any, and happy Father's Day.